Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making cakesicles.
But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. All right, let's get started.
Alright, so we'll start off by making cake pop dough. And basically this consists of cake crumbs and buttercream frosting. So here I'm just breaking up 6 vanilla cupcakes. I'll put in a couple of tablespoons of vanilla buttercream. We'll place the bowl onto a stand mixer, which is fitted with a paddle attachment. We'll turn that on to a medium-low speed. And this should form a ball of dough. It takes a couple of minutes, so just be patient. If you do find it's not coming together, you can definitely add another tablespoon of buttercream. Next up, we'll go ahead and place the dough into our Cakesicle mold. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description box below. We just want to firmly pack that into the cake mold, leaving it flush with the top of the mold. Alright, so we'll go ahead and pop that into the freezer for about 15 minutes to firm up. In the meantime, we can go ahead and start preparing our chocolate. I'm just chopping up some white chocolate here. We'll place the chocolate into this Wilton melting pot. It's really nice. I'll leave a link below for that as well. And I've decided I want to go ahead and make the chocolate pink, so I'm just adding in some red candy melts. Basically, they're just round discs of chocolate. Then we'll go ahead and pop our Cakesicles out of the mold. You can just push from the bottom, they pop right out. Next, we'll go ahead and insert the popsicle sticks. You just want to gently push those in about 3/4 of the way. Alright, our chocolate looks good. It's nice and fluid and smooth. If you find that your chocolate's a bit too thick, you can always add in a little bit of vegetable oil. All right, we'll go ahead and begin to dip these. I like to rock the Cakesicle back and forth rather than swirling it around. Go ahead and lift that straight up and allow the chocolate to drip off. Now this first one I'm going to decorate right away because I want the sprinkles to be able to stick to the wet chocolate. These are just little white nonpareils. And we'll go ahead and dip the rest of our Cakesicles. And we'll set those aside to completely dry. It doesn't take very long since the Cakesicles are so cold. Okay, so once those are done, we'll go ahead and decorate those. The first one I'm just drizzling in some melted chocolate and just attaching some sugar pearls. There's so many different ways that you can decorate these. The next one I'm just taking the very top corner, dipping it back into the chocolate. That will allow me to sprinkle it with the sanding sugar. And for this one, I'll go ahead and do a diagonal drizzle across the whole Cakesicle. I'll sprinkle some sanding sugar on this and then just tip off the excess. And the sanding sugar will only adhere to the drizzled chocolate. So there you have it. Very easy and super cute Cakesicles.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.